Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome everyone to another video from ElectroPixels. Today, we have a TCL 32-inch LED TV on our workbench. The customer's complaint is simple: the TV has sound, but there is no picture. When we gently tap the display, you can notice a white glow on the screen, confirming that the backlight is working properly. This indicates that the problem is not with the backlight, but with the display panel itself. After a detailed inspection, we found that this TV uses a Samsung single COF display panel with an SM4186 Dc to Dc IC. Due to an internal short circuit in the gate signal lines inside the panel, the Dc to Dc IC has entered protection mode. As a result, important panel supply voltages such as VGH, VGL, and avdd are not generated, causing a complete no picture and no graphics condition even though the TV powers on normally. As you can see, the panel has gate signal tracks on both the right and left sides. We will begin by cutting the right side gate signal track using a precision cutting blade. If the picture returns after this procedure, there is no need to perform any further work. However, if the display remains blank, we must reconnect the right side tracks and repeat the process on the left side gate signal track. If the picture still does not appear after testing both sides, it confirms that the panel has internal shorting on both sides, and repair is no longer practical. In this case, we first cut the right side gate signal track, but the fault remained unchanged. We then carefully restored the cut tracks and proceeded to cut the left side gate signal track. After powering on the TV once again, the display came back successfully, confirming that the internal short circuit was present on the left side of the panel. Please remember that this is only a temporary repair technique. The only permanent solution for this type of fault is replacing the entire display panel. Since the internal damage still exists, it is impossible to predict how long this repair will continue to work. It may last for months or it may fail again at any time, depending on the condition of the panel. That's all for today's repair. We hope this video helps you understand the diagnosis and repair process for this common LED TV panel fault. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ElectroPixels, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming TV repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.